Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and mdcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is a virus is A genome, B virus, C prion, and D virus. So the correct option is D virus. The next MCQ is bacteria differs from virus in having A cytoplasm, B protein, C DNA, and D infectious nature. So the correct option is A cytoplasm. The next MCQ is genetically engineered vaccine is available for A infusion hepatitis, B HIV, C HCV, and D HBV. So the correct option is D HBV. The next MCQ is pyrons causes A foot and mouth disease, B. Rabies, C. Common cold, and D. Mad cow disease. So the correct option is D. Mad cow disease. The next MCQ is which of the following is spread by fig? A. Hepatitis B, B. Hepatitis H, C. Hepatitis C, and D. Hepatitis E. So the correct option is D. Hepatitis E. The next MCQ is Agent 4 was discovered in 1898. A. Foot and mouth disease. B. Yellow fever. C. Rabies. And D. Cowpox. So the correct option is A. Foot and mouth disease. The next MCQ is which disease is caused by paramoxoviruses? A. Herpes simplex. B. Measles and mumps. C. Influenza, and D. Tetanus. So the correct option is B. Measles and mumps. The next MCQ is influenza viruses are A. DNA enveloped, B. RNA necked, C. DNA necked, and D. RNA enveloped. So the correct option is D. RNA enveloped. The next MCQ is pneumovirus viruses are the viruses which have A. Non-enveloped RNA, B. Enveloped DNA, C. Enveloped RNA, and D. Non-enveloped DNA. So the correct option is C. Enveloped RNA. The next MCQ is retroviruses cause tumor in A. Rodents, B. Cats, C. Poles, and D. All of these. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is which one of the following are acellular infectious particle-like viruses but are even simpler and smaller than viruses? A. Pyrons, B. Bacteria, C. Protista, and D. Algae. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following is in oncovirus virus? A. HIV, B. HCV, C. HBV, and D. All of these. So the correct option is A. HIV. The next MCQ is HIV virus has genetic material which is A. Double-stranded DNA, B. Double-stranded RNA, C. Single-stranded RNA, and D. Single-stranded DNA. So the correct option is C. Single-stranded RNA. The next MCQ is AIDS spread due to A. Homosexuality, B. Infected needles and syringes, C. Immoral way of life, and D. All of the above. D is the correct option, all of the above. The next MCQ is they are proteinous infectious particles smaller than viruses that contains non-nucleic acid. A. Pyrons, B. Virides, C. Bacteria, and D. Protista. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is viruses have protein spike on their surface which help them to attach with specific receptor on the host cell. This specificity of attachment is called A. Host range, B. Host capability, C. Host recognition, and D. Host specificity. So the correct option is A. Host range. The next MCQ is the genome of smallpox virus consists of A. Double-stranded DNA, B. Single-stranded RNA, and D. Double-stranded RNA. So the correct option is A, double stranded RNA. The next MCQ is which feature occurs in the life cycle of the influenza virus? A. Virus entered the host cell by endocytosis. B. Viral RNA act is template for viral DNA synthesis. C. The host cell is destroyed by electric enzyme. And D. Host cell ribosomes are used to synthesize viral protein. So the correct option is A. Viruses entered the host cell by endocytosis. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDcat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.